Don't worry, you have come to the right channel. Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, Philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Outlook.
How to configure which Microsoft Outlook items to be restored when it was last closed. A new feature that has just arrived in Microsoft Outlook is the capability to automatically restore windows that were open when Outlook last closed. What does it mean? If Outlook suddenly closed due to a system update, due to a crash, or we forced to close it, now we will be asked if we want to reopen any windows that were previously open. If we click yes, we will restore email drafts, meetings, appointments, etc. that were previously open. Stay tuned to find out how to configure which Microsoft Outlook items to be restored when it was last closed. We must select the File tab to move to Backstage View. Once in Backstage View, from the left we locate and select the category Options. The Outlook Options dialog box appears, and from the left we make sure that the General tab is activated. In the middle of the task pane, General Options for working with Outlook, we scroll down until we locate the area Startup Options. When Outlook opens, ask me if I want to reopen previous items. If I select the drop-down menu, we have three options to choose from. As mentioned, the first one is ask me if I want to reopen previous opens. If I select this option and Outlook closes unexpectedly, the next time we will start, we will be asked if I want to open specific items. Never reopen previous items. Again, if Outlook closes suddenly, the next time we open it, we won't be asked anything. Always reopen previous items. The same stands here. If Outlook closes unexpectedly, the next time whatever items were opened, that will be opened again in Microsoft Outlook. We select the command that we want, always open, reopen previous items, and press the OK button, and that is it.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.